guys! So, today we are making a corn husk doll. They're just slightly ugly, but, you know, whatever. Yeah, I'm in American Heritage Girls, which is basically a homeschool Christian, it's not fully homeschool, but mostly, in my troop, Christian, like, Girl Scouts, and we were working on a badge, the Freedom Seekers badge. It's an optional thing, and one of them was to make husk dolls, or corn husk dolls. Yeah, so that's what we did, and yeah, so I'm gonna just do a tutorial on how to make them. Let's get started. Before we begin, please make sure you remember to like this video, please, and subscribe to my channel for more random tutorials. Also, hit that notification button so you will know when more videos come in, and you'll never be behind. Woohoo! Okay, a few things you're going to need are corn husks, scissors, and yarn. That's all you need, really. Okay, so you're going to need to get four pieces of corn husk out originally. I'm just going to get them all out for a second because you need a small piece, but not like that small, you know? So, this piece will do. Ooh. This piece, these two pieces will be great. I need one more, just one more. Oh, we made these earlier, so I'm kind of running low on random corn husks. And this one should do. Okay, put all these back. Okay, so before we begin, I would like to apologize for the terrible video quality. Ugh, having issues videotaping today. Okay, so take your 4 corn husks. Ugh, I have stuff stuck to mine. And you're going to use the smaller part when you tie it off. So, you see, big, little. So make sure the top is, like, at least close to even. And you're going to sit them there. You're going to get your yarn. Where's the top of my yarn? Okay, here it is. Cut off a small bit. So about that much. It doesn't matter if it's too long, because you could just go and trim it later. I did this much. Okay. Put these together. Go about right there, I guess. Enough for a head. You're going to take this and tie it around. Make sure it's tight, because, well, if it's not tight enough, it won't work. Then I would double knot it, and then I go back again and tie it in the back, but that is not needed. Okay, there we go. Next step. Next step is you're going to very carefully peel these up like this. Ooh, I ripped it. It's okay if you rip it a little, but I would not rip it completely, you know? So, we're going to continue. Make some go this way, and some will go this way. Let's see if I can. Okay, so this one is going to go this way. Just peel it up. Somebody has explained it as like, kind of like peeling a banana, almost. Okay, so now I guess they're both going this way then. It does not matter, I guess. Yeah, okay. Here you go. Ugh. See? All good. So it will look like this. Whoops. Like this. Okay, so I've already cut some more string for me. Now that we've got this. Oh wow, my doll is going to be really tiny. Okay. So you're going to go about right here and tie off its head. So take your yarn. I would prefer better yarn or different colored yarn, but this was all I had. So you're going to go right there, I guess. Tie it really tight or it's going to look really crappy. Yeah. Okay, so I cannot tie it again in the back, so it's fine. It will not hurt the doll much, I don't think. Okay, now we're going to roll it some arms. So that means you're going to need a new husk, but a smaller husk. I chose this itty bitty husk right here because it doesn't really need a certain size. I would just choose smaller because it's going to be the arms. Ta-da! It'll be like, wow, this doll's going to have long arms. Ooh. Might want to actually make that a little smaller. Okay, I'm going to cut a little bit of my husk off because her arms were way too big. Okay, so just roll it. You see? Rolling. Now you're going to take your yarn again. Ugh, yarn's getting stuck to it for some reason. Okay. And then you're going to tie it again. I've just been doing that first little small tie you do when you're tying your shoe twice because it works. So why not? I don't know what that's called, but I don't care. Okay. So one side's done. You have to do both sides. I mean, I don't really have much reason to do both sides, but you have to do both sides. It makes it look normal. Plus, on my other one, on this one, I had to, or else it would have been unraveled and looked terrible. Okie dokie. So, and with my other one, it was thicker because I did a really bad job. I needed help, so my mom had to hold it down while I did it. It would also be best if you had all your knots on one side, you know. There, one side now. Now this is when I would go and trim your yarn so that it's not in your way. Just like, there you go. Now this one, bam. Oh, I gotta do its head too. Or not trim its head, but trim this yarn. Okay, next. Okay, so now you're going to, okay, find half of this. Like, it'll be down the middle or something. Where is it? Okay, right here. So it's like in the middle almost. See? That's when you're gonna. That's where you're gonna stick your arms or your arm. See? Yeah. There we go. Okay, and we're going to tie that off again. I'm going to go off screen and cut my string and tie it onto that. So you'll just tie it right there, really tight. Okay, so for making a girl, this is your last step. So get another horn. You don't, okay, so technically, the doll could be finished right then and there. Make sure all your ties are on this side. You could be done. But if you would like to have it like, give it like a little shirt type thing, get another corn husk and fold it like this. Not roll it, just like fold it. And we're going to take it up here and go that way and then that way, like that. And so, okay, string, and you're going to tie it right here. Ugh, if I could just get those stinking sides to stay where I want them, this would be much easier. Haha. Nope. And then we cut this rest of this off so it doesn't look as bad, I guess. Ta-da! This is not the best, but it's a doll. I'm going to trim her arms down a little bit more again. Bam. Whoops. Ta-da. There you go. Now, if this is the female doll, it is completely done. If you were to make it a man, you would cut it right there and then tie off its legs. But I'm making a girl. So, that's it. That is a corner.
Okay, so thank you for watching. And please remember to like the video. Now, Cornhusk dolls. Random, but cool. Bye. I'll see you next time.